Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are interested in cryptocurrency, you have probably heard about DeFi or Decentralized Finance. But how do you actually find and analyze DeFi projects in the crypto market? One of the best tools for this is CoinGecko, a platform that provides detailed data about thousands of cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects. In this video, I will show you how to explore the DeFi sector on CoinGecko, how to find DeFi tokens, and how to analyze important market data step by step. So, let's get started. When you open the CoinGecko website, navigate to the categories section. Here you will find many sectors of the crypto market, including DeFi, NFTs, Layer 1 blockchains, AI-related crypto projects. Clicking on the DeFi category will show you a list of cryptocurrencies that belong to the decentralized finance sector. These tokens power different DeFi protocols and platforms. CoinGecko organizes them based on their market capitalization, making it easier to identify the largest and most influential projects. On the DeFi page, CoinGecko provides several key metrics that help investors analyze each project. First, you will see the token price, which shows the current value of the cryptocurrency. Next is the market capitalization, which represents the total value of all tokens currently in circulation. Another important metric is the 24-hour trading volume, which indicates how actively the token is being traded. You will also see the price change percentage, which shows whether the token price has increased or decreased over the past 24 hours. These metrics help investors quickly compare different DeFi projects and understand their position in the market. If you want to explore a project in more detail, simply click on the token. For example, you might explore well-known DeFi protocols such as Uniswap, Aave, Maker. Once you open the project page, CoinGecko provides additional insights such as price charts, historical performance, circulating supply, total supply, all-time high price. These metrics allow investors to evaluate the growth, adoption, and overall strength of a DeFi protocol. Another advantage of using CoinGecko is the ability to observe sector-wide trends. By browsing the DeFi category, users can see which protocols dominate the market, which projects are gaining popularity, how different DeFi tokens compare in terms of market size and activity. This helps investors better understand the overall development of decentralized finance. Although DeFi offers many innovative financial opportunities, it also comes with risks. The crypto market can be highly volatile and new projects may carry technical or financial risks. That's why it is important to combine market data with careful research and risk management. Platforms like CoinGecko provide valuable information, helping users analyze the DeFi ecosystem and make more informed decisions.